Anyidons gwam dibia na-emelo gị ife a ma ọ bụ babalawo na-emelo gị ife a ejelu ko ị na-akanye ya n'ọnụ ije event how Igbo big men show you love nke anyị na-afụ enwe nke ije na achịna ụbọchị a wee sị na achịna you have discovered Nnewi Abịrịba and achịna kedu why are they showing you this kind of love ma ije event kedu ife kanye n'ọnụ kedu ebe si wee weta ka ijikwa weta no.
For me, I don't think it's the way I sing. And I don't think it's because of the way I call their names. I think it's personal to them. I cannot say for them the way they feel about me when they see me on stage. If I say that, it's an understatement. Because I am not them. I didn't give them money to give to me. I didn't ask them to dance my song. And I never begged them to be my fan. It was personal to them to fan me, to support me. And they have reasons for that. So it's not in my place to answer that.
So make I go to meet them one after the other. So that they
I
can.
think that's the best option for now.
This is the first time I'm hearing that you even knew Obi Cubana through E-Money and then Casey. You know, anyway, video I for good luck, Jonathan just introduced one guy to another big politician and say, "This is my boy." Someone said that this is the highest CV you can ever have. A somebody saying this is my boy. So that is more like what E-Money and then Casey did for you. Then after Ode relationship ngina Obi Cubana na-enwe, I think you even did a special for him. Obato Zuara. Ụfọdụ n'ime anyị nwee ike anyị amara ya, ụfọdụ n'ime anyị mụ ya mgbe ọkwa mamia, and you were there and we saw how happy you were, you know, and everything. As a person, kedu ụdị mmadụ Obi Cubana bụ, and then why is your relationship with him this very, very tight and then wonderful?
Obi Cubana behaves like my father. He's a teacher. You don't know much about Obi. Obi is a teacher. Obi will teach you life. You know, people place value on big man when they have money. Me, I place value on people, on what you can offer intellectually. Your intellectual ability. Number one. Then the lifestyle you live. Can it motivate me? If you come close to Obi, you'll be wondering, is this guy an embodiment of knowledge, just like a moving knowledge? Whatever you see him, Obi is business personified. Obi is life personified. He will tell you things about life. I came close to him, I learn every day. And this is who my father is to me currently. So he doesn't even call me boy, Obi. Obi calls me son. Because I don't joke with whatever thing he tells me. And whenever he tells me things, he watch me. And he see that, yes, I do those things. So he now know that, yeah, he motivates me a lot. That's why he calling me son. Obi is a giver. Obi is not selfish. He's not self-centered. Obi places value on people. You cannot do a favor for Obi and he will not be grateful to you. That's why he is one of the club owners in the history of club business in Nigeria that can go to the most remote village in Ebonyi State just to attend an event of one of his customers. Some people cannot do it. They will use excuses of the place is far. It's not a day journey. The stress, why not send me account? Let me put some money for you. But Obi, if he's bringing cow, he will use that Oburi Efi and he will go to that place in person, go with his men. Sometimes if you check how he can cover like 2 or 3 states, it's now that he's not even traveling as much as he used to travel because of insecurity. Before, they would just travel. Fly private jet. Private jet will be at the airport. They will use a convoy, shuttle this state, shuttle this state, come back to the airport, fly private jet to the club event that night in Lagos or Abuja. That's who he is. And you'll be like, is Obi in Imo State or is he in Ebonyi? Is he an old video? In one day, shuttling like 3 states. Now, you'll be wondering, how much is even the customer buying that he will risk all that? That's why he has a lot of friends. He places value on even the smallest thing that you give to him. That's why I live my life like this. That's why I live my life. I can never forget the little cup you give me. No matter. Check other musicians. If they're on stage hailing people, once your money finish, they will move to another person. No. If you come on stage, even if you don't give me money today, or next 3 months, because of that one you've given me the last 2 years, I could recognize you well. And even tell everybody that cares to listen what you did for me. Because I'm not entitled to that.
That'll be your right.
It's not my right. This is who Obi is. I learned a lot from Obi. Still learning, no. Because last year I learned another one. Last year, December, is it January? We were in January. We were in Ebonyi State. We had a table discussion and I learned another one. You cannot sit with Obi without grabbing one. It's a moving. If he comes to this podcast, if you are ever lucky to get him on this podcast, you'll be afraid of him after leaving this podcast.
As person introduce you to Ramna, you go also introduce me. How does he have opportunity?
Bam.
Bam.
Equal bam.
Name opportunity.
So all these men, they help to shaping me to the Anyidons everybody knows now. Are you getting it? People don't even know my capacity. They don't even know who Anyidons is really. They just know my heart and the kind of person I carry myself to be. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So, and this is because of the people I look up to, people I follow, what I learn from them. If they, as big as they are, they can humble themselves to just an ordinary people. So why will I show everybody that I'm a celebrity? And because I don't show everybody, I'll try to use people to shine. Because being a celebrity, you must use somebody to shine. Somebody wants to take a picture, you bounce or push, use that person to shine. It will trend. And all these things. Or bouncers, you carry bouncers. Everybody, you keep everybody at arm's length and all that. Yeah. He couldn't even allow us to take picture and all that, to place value on yourself. No. And because I don't do that, people feel like I'm not that too big. The day their eyes will open, Baba, oh God, make I not talk too much. So
not by kissing, not by content.
Not by content. It's only God. We give God the glory. Are you getting it? So because of this, I've learned from all these men. That's why I try to carry as many people along with me as possible. I give back. Now, Obi will always tell you how successful you are is not measured by what you own, but how many people can be traced to your success. How many successful people can be traced to your success? That defines how successful you've become. So I try to make boys to men. I try to carry everybody along. January alone, if you know how many collaborations I've done already, I've even flew some people from Lagos to East here. Pay the flight. Now you an upcoming artist want me to do a song with them. I will now fly the person, fly the producer, fly everything on my expense, do the collaboration with you, free of charge, give it to you and cover the expense. I will give you small money to go and promote your own song. I did it countless times. They can attest to it. And I've continued to do it. Alone, this January alone, I've done more than 3. That is about to hit the market. Not my songs. Just like what I did for Ezeyok.
Yes.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
Now, this is not a show off. Many people misinterpret it as a show off. This is a life I have understood. And this is my calling. This is the people I'm looking up to. This is who they are. This is what they have taught me. And this is what I feel like is what God loves. Because like I told you, I have encountered God. God, not how, because through religion we see God through a camera lens. Are you getting it? Microscope. But I've uncovered God from every angle. So I understand whatever thing I do, I take into consideration, will this make God feel good? Not a religious God, though. Depending on your religion. So that's it.
Anyidons, Dick is Yankee. Some of us who have been studying him from afar, actually. Mona Unye Lush, be here Monia Bago one time, and to at least who know person don't know that person.
Yes.
At least Emugas in France, they quite close to Obola Yankee, just like you, just like Material Onyewegu. So through you, we want people like him also to come to our podcast so that people will also hear their story. Anyidons, Gbam dibia na emelogeva, mo bu babalawo na emelogeva. Ejelu ko inakanye no. Eje event. How Igbo big men show you love. Nke anyị na-afụ. Enwe nke ije na achịna ụbọchị a wee sị no achịna. You have discovered Nnewi, Abariba, and achịna. Kedu, why are they showing you this kind of love major event? Kedu ife kanye no kedu ibisi we wete? Ka ijikwo wete no?
For me, I don't think it's the way I sing. And I don't think it's because of the way I call their names. I think it's personal to them. I cannot say for them the way they feel about me when they see me on stage. If I say that, it's an understatement. Because I am not them. I didn't give them money to give to me. I didn't ask them to dance my song. And I never begged them to be my fan. It was personal to them to fan me, to support me. And they have reasons for that. So it's not in my place to answer that.
So make I go to meet them one after the other. So that they
I
can.
think that's the best option for now.
Let's help you create some magic. Let's help you capture your best moments. Let's help you relive your memories. Book us now at Yarn Content Factory. Let's give your events and video production the perfect touch.